Hi guys, it's me Eric. Welcome to Eric's Brainspace. It's been long. We saw each other. I was busy with my exam, and my mother was also busy. So today I am going to release a new video. Its name is Mini Water Pot. And don't forget to subscribe, like or dislike. And let's get in our workshop. You have to understand two concepts. One is buoyancy, second one is wind power. Buoyancy helps boat to float. Wind power helps boat to move. And let's get into it. The material that I used to make boat, it is thermocol. I got it from vacuum cleaner box when we bought it. Now we have to make motor for motor boat. For that we need a motor, battery holder and two batteries. Next we have to make the stand for the motor. So fix the battery holder into the boat. So I am going to peel the tape. So we need a suit to operate the boat. So I have got this small switch. You can see it works like this. So I am going to stick it. Now connect the motor, battery and switch. So I am going to connect one wire to the terminal of the motor. And I am going to connect the other wire to the switch. I am going to close the circuit with help of jumper wire. So it is working. You heard a sound. So the motor is working. So I am going to fit the fan to the motor. Now let's check the boat is working. The boat is working. The fun part, let's decorate the boat. So I am going to decorate the boat. Finally, the boat is ready. Ta-da!